what is called as the gene's on switch. Every gene begins with a special DNA sequence called the promoter, the control center that decides when and how a gene is expressed. Located just upstream of the coding region, the promoter acts like a molecular on switch. It's where RNA polymerase and transcription factors come together to start transcription. In bacteria, two key sites, the 3,5 region, TGCA, and the 1,0 region, known as the TATA box, TATA, help RNA polymerase recognize the correct starting point. In eukaryotes, promoters are more complex, often containing TATA boxes, CAT boxes, and GC-rich regions that fine-tune gene activity. Once the transcription machinery binds, the transcription start site, +1, marks the beginning of mRNA synthesis. The DNA unwinds, and RNA polymerase moves along the template strand, building a complementary RNA copy. Promoters are vital for life. They regulate growth, metabolism, and adaptation. In biotechnology, scientists use strong promoters to boost gene expression in crops, medicines, and research. So, when you see the promoter glowing in this diagram, remember, it's not just a sequence. It's the master switch that turns genetic information into action.